There is no question of me joining any other political party.
Can you tell us what actually happened in that phase of your life?
Eventually, started working for different companies as a tech guy, and then started my own company in 2012. When we started the company, I was still working. Obviously, you needed legal status to start a company.
You just started somewhere in a garage?
No, I mean it's not that dramatic, but we started in our apartment. We didn't back then.
Very young and dynamic and very focused politician at this moment. I would like to introduce you to Mr. Darshan Puttannaiah.
We say, we'll introduce this scheme. That scheme doesn't solve any problem. Everybody that is dependent on the farmer is doing good, except for the farmers.
One of the national parties supported you, and you could have easily gone with them. But is that a conscious decision to have your own identity?
That is not even a thought that we've let cross my mind. And I think power may come and go, but I think.
Can we completely say that we are out of agrarian economy, the India?
We can never get out of it. Food security of our nation can only be saved by the farmers. Agriculture is the majority one that's actually feeding the people. I mean, even big, large-scale companies also, right? Where are they getting their raw materials from? A lot of people with 1 acre, 2 acre land have actually moved to the cities.
If you go and buy an Apple phone, you'll never ask. You pay 2 lakhs. But when you go and buy a 1 kilo rice, you'll ask, why 2 rupees extra? We
have to relook at everything. Farmer problems cannot be solved by one department or one scheme.
Without farming, India cannot live. On the other hand, without taking correcting measures, it won't sustain. But we have to struggle all along, and the same thing will continue forever, according to you.
We have to start looking at it in this sense. Nothing new. Like the second Google search I did was after my responsibility of understanding what the MLA's responsibilities are. Transform rural India is the word those are the words that I actually Googled.